By doing this job, Aucklanders could travel with a safe and higher speeds when KiwiRail links opens next year. Generally, Auckland Railway is an old system, so the truck team will remove the tracks and we dig out and replace layer by layer with a proper material, compact it and making a proper foundations to have a safe network. We do all these jobs in the holidays, so I'll miss all of the holidays. Generally, we begin 6 a.m. We carry on 24/7. There will be 2 shifts, day and night, 2 different crews. We'll continue the jobs to reach the plans to have a better railway for Aucklanders.